Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. I just wanted to check in and share a couple jokes with you. And to do that, I am bringing in a special guest.
Hi everyone.
Tell them your name.
My name's Austin, and I'm a kindergartner at the Cornwall Terrace
Elementary school.
School.
Yep. All right. So, do you have a joke to share with us?
Yes. Why did the sun go to school?
I don't know. Why?
To get brighter.
Good job. Good job. I've got one for you. What do you call a snowman in Florida?
I don't know. What?
Water. All right. Do you want to do a knock knock one now?
Yes.
All right. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Cargo.
Cargo who?
Cargo beep beep, silly. All right. Okay. That's all for the jokes for now. Just wanted to check in. Hope you guys are all doing well. And all right.
Bye.
Have a great weekend.